What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Tech Product. If you are searching for the best 3D printer that delivers serious speed, multicolor creativity, and smart control, you are in the right place. Today, we're taking a close look at a powerful machine built for efficiency and innovation. Let's explore what makes it stand out. Let's get started. The FlashForge AD5X 3D printer is designed for creators who want more freedom and faster results. One of its most exciting features is its ability to handle multicolor flexible TPU filaments. This means you're not limited to single-color prints. You can create vibrant designs with different colors and even experiment with flexible materials. That opens up a whole new level of creativity, especially when you want your projects to look unique and professional. Speed is another big highlight of the FlashForge AD5X 3D printer. It offers a maximum printing speed of 600 millimeters per second, along with an acceleration of 20,000 millimeters per second squared. In simple terms, it prints very fast while still keeping great detail. This helps reduce waiting time and increases productivity. You can complete more projects in less time without sacrificing quality. The design of the FlashForge AD5X 3D printer is also impressive. It features an integrated and modular structure that keeps everything neat and organized. This not only saves space, but also creates a cleaner and more efficient workspace. The compact and streamlined setup makes it easier to manage, especially if you are working with multiple machines. Another smart feature is the intelligent filament system. This system ensures smooth and stable operation, even when switching between multiple colors. It helps prevent common printing issues and keeps the workflow running without constant interruptions. The result is more reliable prints and less manual supervision. The FlashForge AD5X 3D printer works seamlessly with FlashMaker and Orca FlashForge software. These tools allow you to manage and monitor printers remotely. You can oversee hundreds of printers in real time, adjust settings, and control filament use from one place. This level of control makes large-scale production much easier and more organized. Multicolor printing on this machine is not just about appearance, it also improves productivity. Complex designs that would normally take extra time and manual changes can now be handled automatically. The printer is built to support unattended workflows, so you can focus more on designing and planning while the machine handles the printing process. In terms of build and appearance, the FlashForge AD5X 3D printer looks modern and solid. The structure feels sturdy, and the overall design reflects its high-performance capabilities. It is built to deliver consistent results while maintaining efficiency. This printer truly pushes creativity and speed to the next level. Check the price link in the description to see the latest offer. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more exciting tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.